Okay, this is one I have been waiting probably about a month, I guess, or more now, is the LED tail lights from Morimoto. These are brand spanking new for the 997.1. They're a really cool design. I have not even opened the box. It literally just arrived at my door a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna do it in two parts. Do all the unboxing, kind of a review of the lights. And then in part two, we're gonna do the installation and do a review of everything when it's all hooked up. So let's get started.
All right, let's get to it. I am super pumped about opening these ones. I got the smoke version because a lot of what I have on the car is gunmetal and black interior. So I figure the smoke in this case is gonna look really good versus the red. But you know what? You do you. Oh my God, I'm excited about this. Sick. All right, got a little pamphlet. Thank you. Thank you, Morimoto. Installation guide. Installing the taillights is pretty much the most straightforward thing you can think of, but I'll go through it anyway. All right, I'm excited. Let's open this guy. So you've got some ballast connectors I can see here. These stick magnetically on the back, so I'll show that in the installation. So nice little piece of kit there. So nice ballast connectors, but let's pull out what we all want to see. Stop wasting time. Oh man, that has got to be one of the best looking taillights aftermarket I have seen, especially for the 997. Nothing is even coming close to this. Woo. Okay, let's pull off the protective. Wow. All right, beautiful taillight. So maybe it's hard to see, but it actually has a ridge to it, like more like the modern 991s. So this is actually all an indented ridge along here, and then it indents in there, and you can kind of see it, which makes it just a really nice pronounced design. You can start to see it at that angle. You can see the nice profile on there, instead of it just being totally flat, which really highlights this center section. It's got this really cool, just kind of like gunmetal center, and with the smoke, that gunmetal, that silver kind of gunmetal inside goes darker on the outsides. What a beautiful taillight. Holy smokes. Really nice designs and accents. Man, and the quality is just, wow. This company is really nailing it when it comes to lights. I got to tell you that. Let's look at the backside. So the backside looks, you know, pretty much like the stock taillight, except for the fact that you've got these multiple ballasts that are running the LED connections everywhere. But really nice heat sinks. Whew. Wow. That is a beautiful taillight. All right, well, let's get him in the car.
So again, you know, it's a beautiful taillight. I just can't get over it. But so there's these two ballasts here. And what you're going to do is these are magnetic. They're stuck together at the moment. But you want to clean out everything on the taillight. So you want to clean out the whole area as much as you can. You always get dirt and dust and everything back up in there. So you need to clean that all out just so you get the best adhesion as possible. So we're going to stick that on. You simply slide them in. There's one screw, and of course you got to do the plug. And one screw to hold the whole thing in. So let's do a close-up of that so we can get her done, and I'll show you the final kind of look, what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the magnets look like. You just want to stick them up towards the back. Nice where it's flat up there. And you can hear them click. It's a pretty strong magnet. Then you just got the one plug. It's just like your other typical taillight. If you notice on mine, I have I have another connection on there for a backup camera. So you're only gonna have the one connection. So just gotta kind of line this up, push it in till it clicks, just like that. Tuck all the wiring up so you make sure that nothing's pinched. And then just gonna slide it in like any taillight. Just like that. Just gonna put a screw in. All right, that's it. Man, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna get the other one on the other side down. I'm just gonna do a quick little shot by. Damn, man, look at those. Those are so sick. It's one of those things where it's like, you can't really appreciate it unless you see it in person, but man, what an upgrade. My deck lid isn't closed all the way. I've got my battery disconnected because I was doing some other stuff. A little hard to reach underneath and get the cable to pull out, so apologies for that. I'll do a full review when I get it down on the ground, power into it and everything and lit up, but wow, first impressions are sick. Look at that. That has got to be, honest to God, the most beautiful taillight I've seen. Aftermarket in general, but definitely for the Porsche and definitely for the 997.1. What an update to the look. Okay, cool. So when I get some of the other body stuff I'm doing, this car is going to look dramatically different. Huge shout out to Morimoto. These taillights are sick. I cannot say it any other way. Just the beautiful recess in the design here and the fit and finish and the quality of them. Man, best taillight by far. All right, thanks everyone. I'm gonna do another video that's gonna be just the install for anybody who's just technical, wants to just see like how they take them out and then put them in again. I know I kind of covered the install in this. I just wanted to show you what it was kind of like going in and what they look like in there. I think that was just cool to get out right away. So I'll do a full installation. It's just like a technical installation video. And then I'm gonna do a full review when I get it back down, put power on it, of the taillights and the headlights all set up. But anyways, damn. All right, that's all for now. Take care.